Hello DIYers. Today we're replacing the taillight bulbs in a 2013 Nissan Rogue. This is a follow-up video to the control arms and CV axles video I did a couple weeks ago. This guide will be super fast and straightforward. If you're here just to confirm things, the brake light bulbs is a 7443 mini bulb and the turn signal bulb is a 744 mini bulb. If that's all you needed, I hope you hit like and subscribe on your way out. Much appreciated. To confirm that the bulbs are actually bad, the best way to do that is to have a buddy hit the brake pedal for you. Some cars, the hazard lights will blink the turn signals and the brake lights, but not on this Nissan Rogue. The turn signal lights are separate from the brake lights. And of course, this would be how you confirm the turn signal bulbs are bad. Ours is fine, but we'll be replacing it anyway to not have to worry about it later. Now, let's remove the tail light. The housing only has one 10mm fastener and it's located here, behind the rear hatch. The bolt is recessed slightly, so I recommend a 10mm socket and ratchet, like I'm using here. Once the bolt is removed, the tail light can be pulled out. But be careful here. I'm actually doing it slightly wrong. What I should have done is grabbed it from the right side with my other hand and pulled it straight back. You'll see here on the pegs that I bent and broke one because I pried the headlight out on an angle instead of pulling. Hopefully, now that you can see the way the pegs look, you'll avoid what I did. And now we can put the bulbs in and we'll start with the brake light. The connector comes out with a counterclockwise turn. From there, you simply pull the bulb out. And again, that's a 7443 bulb for the brake light. I also recommend using gloves, especially on the new bulb, because the oils on your skin will discolor the bulb once it's heated up. Once you push the new bulb in, the connector goes back into the housing with a clockwise turn. And same for the turn signal bulb. We'll turn counterclockwise to remove the connector. The bulb pulls out pretty easily. Then put the new bulb in and replace the connector back in the housing. Now we can guide the pins in the housing back onto the mounts, at least the ones that aren't broken. And after that, we simply tighten the bolt back in with a 10mm. I don't know the specific torque specs here, but since the housing is plastic, we don't want to over tighten it. Just snug is good enough. And that's it. I hope this helped you change your taillight bulbs on your 2013 Nissan Rogue. More Nissan Rogue videos are located here. I'm Alan, and this is Metaloop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.